Hi, yes, my name is Crikey, and it is raining cats and dogs on Tybee Island right now. And they are predicting, whoa, big gusts are coming! Oh my gosh, all right, we're gonna go back to Chief Meteorologist Squeaky so she can tell us a little bit more about what's going on Tybee.
Wow, Crikey, you stay safe out there. It sounds like you're experiencing a pop-up thunderstorm not yet located on our radar. Welcome back to headquarters, Burton 4-H Center, where Squeaky here is going to deliver this week's weather. As you may have seen, Crikey is experiencing extreme pop-up thunderstorm here on Tybee Island. The rest of the week, though, will be followed with no wind, extreme humidity, and temperatures rising through the 80s, or our second end of summer. Back to you, Crikey and Snikey, for our special editions of Tuesdays on Tybee Weather Watchers.
Hi, my name's Nikki. I'm the program specialist at the Burton 4-H Center. And welcome to Tuesdays on Tybee. This week we're going to be learning about how to weather watch. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time in regards to heat, dryness, sunshine, rain, thunderstorms, wind, cold, and so much more. And you might be thinking, why should I care about the weather? It's important to watch weather because different weather can affect human activities, and you should be prepared and aware instead of scared. The difference between climate and weather is that climate is a series of data taken about over 30 years or so, while weather is just what's happening from the day-to-day basis. If you become a weather watcher, you can contribute to citizen science by taking daily weather reports and then submitting it to organizations like NOAA or NASA. Daily weather collection can help scientists compare previous weather patterns and help them predict future weather patterns. If you're a weather watcher and you love the weather, you might want to become a meteorologist. Meteorology is the study of the atmosphere, and what meteorologists do now is they try to predict future atmospheric events. A great way to be your own weather watcher and collect your own data at home is to install a rain gauge. So rain gauges collect precipitation, and when you install them, you want to make sure that they're on a level ground area and they're installed on a pole or post that's 2 to 6 feet off of the ground. And then you also want to keep them away from any obstruction so it doesn't add any runoff into your rain gauge. And last thing, when it's done precipitating, you will record what's in your rain gauge and then you'll empty it out. A way that you can also collect weather data is by installing a weather station like we have. And if you're ever interested in what Tybee's weather is, or Burton weather specifically, you can go to our website and check out our weather data. Our weather station is comprised of a barometer, psychrometer, anemometer, and thermometer. A barometer records the atmospheric pressure. A psychrometer records water vapor and humidity. The anemometer is the little spinny thing on top, and that records wind speed. And the thermometer records the temperature. A great way you can also stay informed as a weather watcher is knowing the difference between a weather watch and a weather warning. A weather watch is when conditions are right for that extreme weather event. A weather warning is when the severe weather event is occurring at the moment and you should take caution or even sometimes take shelter. Hopefully you've been inspired to become a weather watcher and collect your own data and build your own weather station. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tuesdays on Tybee.